What if I told you most people stay broke not because they don't earn enough, but because they waste money on things that keep them poor? In T's video will reveal 7 things poor people waste money on, and how avoiding them can completely change your financial future. 1. Trying to look rich. Many people spend money trying to look rich instead of actually becoming rich. Designer clothes, the latest iPhone, luxury cars, all bought just to impress others. But here's the truth. Rich people invest first and upgrade later. Poor people do the opposite. 2. Daily takeout. Ordering food every day might feel convenient, but it silently destroys your finances. Spending $10 to $20 daily adds up to thousands per year. That money could be invested, but instead, it disappears. 3. Unused subscriptions. Netflix, Spotify, random apps. Most people forget what they're even paying for. $5 here, $10 there. It adds up quickly. Always audit your subscriptions. Cancel what you don't need. 4. Get rich quick schemes. Lottery tickets, betting, shady online schemes. These promise fast money, but usually lead to losses. Wealth is built slowly, not overnight. 5. Credit card interest. Credit cards are one of the biggest traps. Paying only the minimum keeps you stuck in debt for years. Instead, focus on paying off debt aggressively. 6. Cheap, low-quality goods. Buying low-quality items just because they're cheap often leads to replacing them again and again. In the long run, you spend more. Smart people focus on value, not just price. 7. Neglecting self-education. This is the biggest mistake. Poor people hesitate to spend money on learning new skills. Courses, books, knowledge. These are investments, not expenses. The more you learn, the more you earn. Conclusion: if you avoid these 7 mistakes, you're already ahead of most people. Start small, stay consistent, and build your wealth step by step. Subscribe to Money Blueprint for more videos on making money, investing, and financial freedom.